from preparation to final product. Great American Powder Coat is your one-stop shop for all your powder coat and ink blasting needs. Bring in your pre-painted, rusty, grimy heavy gear, and our certified staff will blast it clean using a solution comprised of air, water, and recycled ground glass. Eco-blasting leaves no risk of warping and is environmentally safe for the Columbia Basin region. Before powder application begins, parts are degreased with steam and treated for corrosion. Then they are dried in Great American's industrial oven. After several minutes, parts are taken out of the oven, and after a cool down period, the coating process can begin. For powder application, racks are rolled into the application booth. Parts and rack are grounded, and a state charge is used to transfer the colored powder to the part. Care must be given to apply the powder evenly. The metal and the powder are sent back into the industrial oven to begin the baking process. The powder adheres to the metal, creating the finished product that is ready to ship out.